Hello students, theme 3 environment. Activity 3.1.1 read the passage. Once there lived a woodcutter in the forest with his wife, son and daughter. They were leading a good life. Every day the woodcutter would go to the forest to cut wood while his children went to the school nearby. Every evening the woodcutter would bring home lots of wood that he had cut during the day. His wife would sell it in the market. She would also use the wood to cook food and feed the children and others at home. One day the son asked his father, "Why do you go and cut so much wood in the forest?" "I cut the wood for our living," said the woodcutter. The young boy heard his father patiently, but he was worried. He asked his father, "If you cut so many trees, what will happen to the forest? What will happen to the other creatures that live in the forest? Where will they get food and shelter if there are no trees?" The woodcutter thought and said, "From today we will plant one sapling for every tree I cut. Soon these saplings will grow into tall trees and the animals continue to live peacefully in the jungle." Activity 3.1.2 find words in the passage which mean the same as person who cuts wood and sells it, woodcutter. Boys and girls who live with their parents, leading a good life. Place where goods are sold and bought, market. Animals and birds, creatures. Small plants, saplings. A safe place, shelter. Activity 3.1.3 mark the correct answer. Who cut the wood in the forest? The woodcutter. A. What was the wood used for? To cook food and buy other things. Answer is C. Third one, who worked to earn money for the family? Answer is B. The woodcutter and his wife. Activity 3.1.4 can you explain how the woodcutter saved the birds and animals living in the forest? The woodcutter will plant one sapling for every tree he cut. Soon these saplings will grow into tall trees and the animals can continue to live peacefully in the jungle with enough food and shelter. Activity 3.2.1 I have done right, I have not done wrong. Here in first picture the boy throw the dust in river This is wrong. Here, two children pour water to the plant. This is right. Here, the children are cutting the flowers. This is wrong. Here, the child throw stone on pets. Wrong. Here, the man and woman throw dust in water. This is wrong. And this is also wrong publicly. Wrong things are done. Wrong. This is. Here, water is wasting. This is also wrong. Here, the children play in surroundings. This is and pick the butterflies. This is also wrong. Here, the boy give water and grains to sparrow. This is right. And here, the last picture. In this last picture, children plant grow some plants. This is right. Activity 3.2.2 brainstorming. Write words related to the given word and talk about it. Forest. In forest, plants, animals, birds, wild animals, big trees, creatures. River, water, fish, water plants, crocodile, grow crops. Activity 3.2.3. The pictures below show A. When the woodcutter planted saplings every day, and B. When the woodcutter only cut the trees. Work with a friend to compare the two pictures and talk about it. In picture A, when the woodcutter planted saplings every day, then the forest will grow. The wild animals have shelter and they live with happily. Creatures are happily live in forests. Environment is good and more plants growing help human beings survival also. Rain is also coming from forests. If no trees, then no rain is coming. We get oxygen from trees like so many uses from forests. If no plants no plants on earth, then the opposite things are going on, like the everywhere dryness is acquire, no crops, no food, no shelter for creatures. Activity 3.3.1, read the class newsletter and complete the letter to your friend. CHPS Nagoda, date 18/6/2023. Dear Asma, your friend's name. I have received your letter. I felt happy to know that you and your parents are quite well. I have shifted to a new school after my father's transfer. My new school is GHPS Nagoda. We have many exciting and fun activities in this school. Let me tell you about them. Our arts club organized a week long from 2 weeks back. We also have a sports club that organized matches in outdoor and indoor Fridays are not much fun because we have morning class on those days. We had great plans of Sunday but sadly could not go because it rained all night and the roads were flooded. I will feel really happy if you come to my school. You will also like it here, although I have made a few friends here but still miss you a lot, waiting to hear from you. Till then, take care. Yours lovingly, Sarah, your name. To Asma, Gandhinagar, Chalagere. Activity 3.3.2, write a letter. Choose any topic and write a letter to your friend. Birthday, Independence Day. A village day, festival. My letter to friend, your place, Chalakere. Today's date, 9/1/2024. Dear Karthik, person you are writing to. I have received your letter. I felt happy to know that you and your parents are quite well. I want to invite you on my birthday on 15/1/2024. You will be glad to know that my birthday comes on 15/1/2024. I have arranged a small party at our home. My family has decided to host a party at 8 p.m. I am inviting you to and your entire family to the party. There will be lots of fun in the party. Your name, yours, Ramesh. To Karthik Davangere. Activity 3.4.1, work in groups to create a newsletter for your classroom and present it to the class. Classroom news. Write what happened in your class in this week. This week in class 5. Write your school's name. GHPS Gandhinagar Challakere. Picture of the week. Draw a picture, paste a photo of an event. New Year celebration. Republic Day 26 January. Do you know? Storytelling time. Upcoming events. Write upcoming events in your classroom. Once there was a crow. It was so thirsty. Want to drink water. One pot in it. Some water is there. It can't drink it, so it cleverly put stones in it. Then the water comes up, and then crow drink it. Write a small story. Upcoming events 26th Jan, Republic Day, group study, cards activity, sports activity,